Alright. Hi, good morning. This is Vin. Welcome to NCR Rizal Properties. Okay, so we're here in Cainta, flood free. Maganda to. Yan nyo ha, 194 square meter po yung lot area natin dito. Okay, tapos ang maganda, yung location na ito, lalo na, ideal ito para sa mga working or may business, going to Ortigas, Makati, even BGC, Taguig. Yan, ang magiging daan nyo, Highway 2000, then via then C6. Then, Upalibis, pwede rin naman. Okay? May daan din to sa floodway. May daan sa junction. Right? So, ito, nandito tayo. Inikot ko lang muna yung gilid ha. This is a single attached property. So, nakita nyo naman. Laki na setback niya. For the service area, then ito yung lanay area. Then yung parking space niya, good for 2 SUVs. Okay? 194 square meter po yung lot area natin. Laki na ito. Okay. So, upon entering, ito po. Ito yung ating living space. Ito ko lang ha. Then, dining and kitchen area, ito, nakaiwalay na siya. Okay? So, dining and kitchen area. Diba, laki? Well planned. Dito sa ating kitchen area, yan. Meron tayong island table. Ito, may kasama na rin po itong built-in oven, cooktop, and range hood. Right? So, doon yung lagayan ng ref. Wow. Okay? Then ito, may sliding door. Papunta dyan sa ating lanay. Okay? Dito, may storage area. Malaki yan. Ayan, kung mapapansin nyo. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yan, di may yung bukasan yan. Dito, meron tayong common toilet and bath for visitors. Right? Kung may mga visitors kayo, dyan sila. Then dito, meron tayong 1 bedroom dito sa ating ground floor. So, kung tatanungin nyo ako sa space nito, good siya for senior. Okay? For senior room or guest room. Pabubutasan nyo lang for aircon. Then, meron na siyang kasamang actually powder room. Pero meron siyang ito, shower. Okay? Pero medyo masikip. So, tingin ko, mas okay siya for powder room. Dito na lang siguro maliligo sa ating common na toilet and bath. Okay? Yan. Ayan, hindi pa yan ha. Meron pa doon. Tingnan nyo. Okay? So, ito yung living area. Laki yan. Yan o. Maganda to. Promise. 194 square meter lot area. Paulit-ulit ko na sinasabi. Okay? Then dito, itong pintuan na to, ito yung kanina, yung service area. So, dito yung access. Diba? If ever, may mga yung ating kasambahay, may bitbit po na galing ng wet market, may dalang mga isda, mga malalansa po, dyan na lang po dadaan. Okay, so akit tayo ng second floor. Makikita nyo ang gaganda ng space ng bedrooms niya. Spacious to. Right, so pag akyat, nandito sa kanan, 2 bedrooms with 1 common toilet and bath. So ito yung common toilet and bath. So first bedroom, ito yung first bedroom. So may kasama na ang built-in cabinet. So kung kulang yung built-in cabinet, ito kasi yung built-in cabinet niya. Kung nakukulangan kayo, pwede pa kayo mag-add, may space pa. Right? Second bedroom natin, eto, mas malaki to. Ganda ng space. So nakikita ako, may mga provision siya, may mga saksakan for split type aircon. Okay, split type aircon po. Then dito sa side na to, meron kayong family area with balcony. Ayan no. huli natin pasukin siguro yung master's bedroom. Yan. So ito yung balcony. Tapos ang ganda ng ano, 'di ba, ng community. Then ito yung master's bedroom, right? Master's bedroom, meron ding balcony. Pero mas maganda, malaki yung balcony doon sa may ano, sa may family area. Then ito yung cabinet niya. Then syempre, meron siyang private bathroom and walk-in closet. Okay? Kung mapapansin nyo, yan, naka-sliding door na po. So ito yung kanyang toilet and bath. Alright? So again, master's bedroom. One more look. Sa space ng master's bedroom, malaki to. Alright? So yung mga magtatanong, again, this is located in Greenland, Cainta, Taytay. Okay? Kung ang work nyo or ang business nyo is located in Ortigas, Makati, BGC Taguig, Libis, Libis, or Chendesita siguro, yan. Highly recommended po ito. Tapos, flood free, syempre. Right? Then yung price natin is 15 million. Okay, 15 million. Kung interested kayo, message lang kayo. Alright? So, that's all. Again, my name is Vin, Offensive Rizal Properties. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.